Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are aligned on behalf of Master Video Based Listen and Conversation to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video you can add an scan video for YouTube channel content. This video I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to them those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and another friend cycle, and you will get motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. This is the content of YouTube video and it can view properly and increase the YouTube channel day by day. Okay, the animation, this video and code inside your video. This and to know animation work the kind of the like and collection bottom the directly and subscribe your channel and the finder in campaign view another and view and YouTube algorithm. Okay, your video and day by day the increase in order more the natural part of the viewing experience. Okay, this is the YouTube video. This how to do and add an ad scan video. This is my YouTube channel and your YouTube channel, your any video and edit option, the can the create an ad scan and view and the ad scan video and edit. Okay, this is the in subtitle and ad scan and card and format card and etc. Okay, this is the ad scan video, then ad scan video and edit this video and the plus mode and animated or video and option automatically your option. This is the video and most view and choose any specific the video, choose any kinds of video and click automatically you will go to the your channel and video list and of the content the viewers that any video and edit the click automatically edit the another YouTube video and edit this video and click and automatically an option. Okay, this is the video and option the and scan view and properly and day by day the increase your YouTube channel. Okay, the your choice is specific the video and choose the click and automatically in all video and option. Okay, all video and option based of the view. Okay, this is the video, then another video added the basically your choice. Okay, this is the basically your choice the and option this view choose the specific the video of the title. Okay, option this video and the video and added automatically this and now the properly finally this video and this get changed or save basically properly your and scan video totally 4 and already 3 video and added and in time you can edit the one video. Okay, no problem, this is eliminated then video and the and properly the choice video. Okay, any choice video and automatically and choice the save. Okay, this is the video and the video and scan video and the basically and edit the option in C mode. Okay, this is the video and automatically and show and this is the and basically your right option is automatically and the video and for video and basically and the showing. Okay, this is the and viewers the automatically and the automatically click automatically let this video and show. Okay, there no problem. So no more today and no more today. Those are still subscribe my channel, please subscribe very quickly and bell icon button and another 10 seconds to in this video and share. Okay, so stay with kinds of new video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.